Good afternoon. This is our afternoon update for Friday, the 9th of December. We had our crop report come out today. Had really some unusual reactions to that report. Some delayed, some immediate. The cotton market was trading about unchanged when the report came out. And the report was as unchanged domestically as you can get. Some adjustments were made internationally, but we went from unchanged to down about 90 pretty quick. Then we firmed back to where we may be down 30 or 40, and it looks like we're going to close down 63. As I said, the report was pretty close to unchanged across the board. No surprises. The market just chose to react down. The last trade is down 63 at 70.79, a high of 70.81, a low of 70.30. Looking at the grain market, and I'll look and just go over quickly here. The report today, we had soybean ending stocks at 480 million bushels. They thought that would come down a little bit, so there was a little disappointment there. The corn stocks held unchanged at 2.403 billion bushels, and that's a little below what people thought. Corn was up 1.5 pennies at that time. Corn's closing up 6, and I'm telling you, all this happened here at the end of the day. It wasn't because of that report. Corn up 6 at 359.5, a high of 357 and a well, no, that's wrong because the high was made so late. The high of 359 3/4, a low of 351 1/4. The soybean market was up 7 before the report. It turned and got down a few cents. Then here late in the day, it was firming up again, and soybeans are going to close up 10.5 at 1037.5, a high of 1049.5. Now we're talking about March soybeans. The low is 1032. So I don't know how to, let me just try to sum up by saying this. In grains, we had a negative reaction, but late in the day we came back and almost got or made new highs on the day. Now, there's not a lot of logic there, but it's just something that happened. But no real surprises today. Wheat closed up 8 at 416 1/4, a high of 417, a low of 403 3/4. The dollar up 53, crude oil up 55 cents a barrel, gold up about 8 cents, silver up 7 cents. And so we've got the Dow Jones up 89. We're going to do something, and I apologize if this is a little disorganized. There's something that's come out, more research that does seasonal information on the markets that we follow, cotton, corn, soybeans, and wheat. Have some extremely interesting charts, seasonal charts on these markets that can indicate possibly, and I put a big disclaimer on that, but possibly what we might be looking at going forward here. And if you're interested, email me at patmcclatchy at gmail.com, and I will get you out. I'll just send back to your email that it comes from a seasonal chart. What I do ask is when you email me at this address, patmcclatchy at gmail.com, you just in the Gmail, all you have to do is say what you want. A seasonal chart on cotton or soybeans or corn or wheat or all of them. And then I'll turn around and I'll get those back to you on Monday. I just want to try this just to see what kind of feedback we can get. I was really amazed at what I saw in cotton. You want to see that if you have an interest in cotton. So that's it. It's Friday. It's the close. A lot of activity today. Have a good weekend, and we'll see you back here on Monday morning. Have a good weekend.